Use a 4mm Allen key to loosen the lower screws. Use a rubber hammer to detach the compression rod and cartridge rod from the lower press fit. Afterwards, remove both screws. This way, the lower can be removed. Disassemble the bottom-out bumper and plastic spacer. Remove the air cap. And deflate the air cartridge, covering the valve to prevent oil from spilling. Use a 22mm flat ground socket to remove the air cartridge. And then remove the air guide. Use a Phillips 1.0 screwdriver to remove the lockout knob. And take out the small steel balls and springs. Use a 24mm flat ground socket to remove the lockout cartridge. After all parts have been thoroughly inspected and cleaned, the fork can be reassembled. Apply grease to the upper and lower bushing positions in the lower. Add lubricating oil to the sponge. Then apply a liberal amount of grease to the rod of the new cartridge. And use the cassette tool to assemble it. Tighten it with a torque of 10 to 13 Newton meters. Please apply a liberal amount of grease onto the lockout cartridge rod and main seal. Then use the 24mm flat ground socket to assemble the lockout cartridge, tightening torque 10 to 13 Newton meters. Use needle nose pliers to adjust the cartridge hex lockout axle to the lockout position, turning it counterclockwise till the end. Install the bumper and apply grease on the bumper as well as the contact surface between the bumper and the spacer so the parts stay put. Assemble the lower. Then apply Loctite 243 thread locker to the threads of the lower screws. Use the 4mm Allen key to tighten the lower screw to a torque of 5 to 7 Newton meters. Then apply Loctite 243 thread locker to the threads of the lower screws. Use the 4mm Allen key to tighten the lower screw to a torque of 5 to 7 Newton meters. Use a shock pump to inflate the fork to the RST standard pressure of 90 to 100 psi or the preferred pressure settings noted prior to performing the service. Finally, install the air cap. If not done so already, use needle nose pliers to adjust the cartridge to the lockout position, counterclockwise till the end. Install the small steel balls and springs. And align the lockout knob with the hex cartridge axle for assembly. Make sure the nose of the knob is pointing in the direction of riding. Then apply Loctite 243 thread locker to the lockout knob fixing screw. And use the Phillips 1.0 screwdriver to tighten the screw to 0.5 Newton meters. Make sure the knob can be turned clockwise 180 degrees, so the fork can be fully unlocked. If not, release the lockout knob screw 1 to 2 turns. Test whether the function and adjustment range of compression and rebound is fully given and if the fork is performing smoothly once the compression is dialed out entirely.